Brennan, what are you doing?
I don't know.
What?
Tell Aunt Lucy stop eating the Mickey bar.
No, 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 Brennan. No.
No.
He stepped in chocolate again.
Don't stop that.
Do your pirate dance.
No.
Then
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
I'll bury your face right in your chest.
look at her smile.
Brennan.
Brennan, look at Poppy and say, Mickey bar.
Let's feed him. Big bar.
I didn't say Poppy's a poopy. I said say Mickey bar.
You're still kind of a mess for your age.
Look at Aunt Lucy.
Oh my heavens. Let me see your sandals even. Chocolate
Oh.
tracks all over the...
Oh no,
No,
Brennan.
That's funny.
Brennan.
You're not moving anymore. You sit here. Look at that.
Hold on,
You
let
can't
me
even
see.
hose it down.
What is that, strawberry?
That's probably
That's
watermelon.
strawberries. I
That's
think it's
water-
watermelon. For
Brennan,
you.
look at me. Brennan.
Wow. Stay here.
Is this a
Who wants to go
video?
out in the rain anyway?
Yes, this is a video.
Oh, yay.
You do. I said who wants to
We
go out
should
in the
let
rain
him go
anyway?
out in the rain. That'll clean him up.
Yeah.
Poppy, why are you wiping his hair?